Here we are at Factory 22 Paton Place, and you can see that this is a place where you can unload no matter what the weather in the rain. People here are pretty friendly, nobody parks excessively there during the day, but they'll come and unload, or clients can come and park here. There's a permanent parking up the ramp there for one space, but there's usually extra spaces available. This is coming in. We've got a screen door which you can lock. Don't bother, but you should leave it, just extra privacy, but without shutting it off completely. It's pretty secure here. In the inside roller door, we've got two spots you can put padlocks on for additional security if you like. The only way people would break in here is to put a bar underneath that door and pry it up, but with those either bolted off or just put a little bar through there. It'll be totally secure. You've got a bit of racking up here for high storage, and some storage up there as well. Three-phase power here, and three-phase power. That's the only three-phase power point. There's your modern switchboard. Fridge does have the running water, and you can put a bucket there and just empty the bucket in the kitchen, which is just outside. When it's full, it's good for making tea and coffee. And then we come through around here. We've got an office. And the view from here is pretty nice. It'll be quiet during the working day. Let's see. There we go. And that's the second office there. And there we go. So with a lot of these factory units, this sort of size, you get a mezzanine level, but including the space. Here you don't have to go up and down the stairs all day long. You're straight into your office and back to your work area. That's a fire exit. So should you choose to rent the space, you'd be in a supportive working environment with all those different businesses around here, and it's away from traffic noise and secure. So encourage you to come and have a look.